Hello? Yeah, yeah. No, love to go. Wait, I can't. I can't. I don't have a license plate on that scooter, dude. I can't go. There's no mounts or anything. You know what? I'm just gonna have to figure something out. Okay, call you later. Bye. Have you ever been stuck in a predicament like this? No license plate because you don't have a place to mount it on your scooter. If that's your problem, click the link below and we're gonna show you how we overcame that adversity on our new 2012 Honda Ruckus Project scooter. So check it out. If you like what you see, comment, like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and until then, we'll see you at the video.